Hey everybody, welcome to week 7. We're going to do our lab. It's before we get started. Happy 4th of July weekend. Happy Independence Day for the greatest country on earth. This week what we're going to do, I'm going to adjust the screen so you can see. I've got 50 milliliters of liquid ink, printer jet ink, and I've got some vegetable oil. And we're going to mix them together and then put some rare earth magnets underneath them to get an effect with it. And I don't want to spoil it, so we're going to start here early. Now, the reason I'm pouring just vegetable oil right now is because I thought that when I did my research that the porous material or the metallic material in the oil would create the effect we were going for. It turns out I was wrong. I don't know if you could see it right there on the video, but essentially to get the magnetic fluid to work, we're going to mix a few things. So what we're going to start with is I'm going to take let me readjust you again, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. 1, 2, and mix them into the ink. And I'm going to mix it up real good. So now I've got a new solution that combines the vegetable oil and the ink. And I'm going to first test using a rare earth magnet and what I have on the spoon. You probably won't be able to see it, but I can, and I know it's working now. So I'm going to pour the solution right here on our paper plates. And we're going to make some adjustments so you can see. With these adjustments, put my rare earth magnets underneath it. I don't know if you can really tell, but I'm getting kind of a little crystallized, spiky product here. It's hard to see, and then when I take the magnets away, it goes away. Let's do a little bit more and see if we end up with a better product. I don't want to make too much of a mess on the kitchen table and have my wife get upset. But it's definitely pooling right where my rare earth magnets are. So let's talk about some reasons this works. All right, let me put this away and adjust. We know that ink has some metallic properties, and we know that there are different properties in the oil as well. Once we mix them together, we've created this sort of magnetic fluid. So neither the oil itself worked like I had hypothesized, or the ink itself worked like I had hypothesized. It did work when they were mixed together, though, with these rare earth magnets, which kind of took that magnetic fluid and created this magnetized field, crystallized. Again, I'm not sure how well you could or couldn't see it in the video, but the question is, this ferrofluid that we made, why does it only work when it's mixed together? And I don't know the answer. The closest thing I can come up to an answer through my research is that the properties are able to polarize when they're mixed, which kind of gives us that magnetic field and magnetic clumping that we saw. Otherwise, if you have any other ideas or have some research to find out, please shoot me a line and let me know. I appreciate your time, and I hope you're enjoying your 4th of July weekend. Y'all take care.